Hi guys, hopes everybody is doing well, and this is a quick update on BTC before the weekly closing, right? So we are definitely closing at the all-time high, and this weekly closing is definitely going to be at the all-time high. So it's a big deal. Right now, if you focus on all right here, we are exactly at the all-time high, and this weekly closing will be definitely above the all-time high. So it's a big deal, not a joke. The point is, if we get going above this, I will be definitely expecting BTC to come after this 90k, right? It can happen, right? It can happen, no bullshit. Secondly, if you guys want to get going along with me in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. If you focus all right here, I told you that usually what happens when there is low stuff in the market, and you will keep on saying, well, look, you guys will see these sort of ranges, and you guys will keep on trading this. Let me tell you guys, whenever we from these sort of ranges, we usually go like this, dip, then dip down, then went up, again dip down, or either we see some dip down from here, or either we see some dip bounce from here. This is some sort of a thing that we trade in ranges, right? But what exactly just happens while we are in this much volume in the market, and well, all the stuff is happening like that in the market? So I usually expect some good thing in the market. Is right now, if you focus overall right here, it's straight going to the upside. So if still somebody is shorting this shit, I don't think so. That he needs to be in the wards of mental wards. Simply, there is nothing much more in psychiatry wards or something like that. The point is, what I have marked right here is not for the short position, and every single person in my Discord knows that I usually do not short anything. I just use degen shorts. Without this, I don't short anything. So as I've showed, this was liquidity hunt, and we dipped down, and this dip down was still a good thing, right? If you focus all right here, as I've showed, so I'm not wrong. We already dipped down from this level to this level. That is exactly 4%. So BTC 4% is still a bigger deal, right now. What exactly happening, that I am saying that we are closing at an all-time high, and this weekly close is still very important. And if you focus all right here, this is a big thing. Every single time this happens, every single time we minted more Theta, we minted more USDT, we produced a big pump. The same thing I am expecting again. And as I told you, this would be the thing, that initial target, we cannot make some different targets right now, but still my initial target is 90k for this bull market. Well, I will definitely say that we are almost like, I will say that we are either 60% done with the bull market. Anybody who's thinking that this is bull market, this and that, come on guys, don't let me talk about something else. We are pumping from 25k straight to 60, or we are definitely pumping from 25k to all-time high, and you guys are still thinking that the bull market will come again. Come on guys, there will be definitely more cycles and more money inflow to alts, but don't say that bull market is more to come. So the point is, we are 60% done with the bull market, or I will call it 40% done with the bull market. This is simple stuff, or 30% you can, but we are almost done. So not almost done, but 30 to 40% done. Definitely 40% done. Now, as I told you guys, this is my first target for bull market. I am not expecting some $1 million or something. Once we will hit this, we will talk about later, and this is how I basically trade. Secondly, I told you guys that for now we are breaking above, and we are definitely holding above this range high, which is a very good thing, and we have a weekly closing ahead, and I am not bearish at all right now. And there is a good thing, that there is a good support, immediate lower time frame support, that is exactly around 67k. So around right here, once we start closing back above, then we can definitely push to the upside. The first thing would be 72k, and then 74k, and then 75k. These are first few targets that I'll be definitely targeting right now. I'm not going to long BTC because I think so any piece of shit can happen, but I'll be definitely focusing on alts because I'm definitely expecting some good relief.